Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with Osborn. Today we're going to be going over one of our HD flap discs, the EXT40. This is a ceramic flap disc, and these are great for cleaning material that you might not want to remove the metal, I should say, as much. You just want to clean it, you want to polish it. So this is going to do that job for you, and let me show you what I'm talking about. I just got done cleaning this steel right here behind me. I mean, as you can see, looks pretty much brand new, right? Got all that paint and primer off of there, all that gunk, all that stuff you typically find out in the field. You know, if this is something that you run into a lot, you're definitely gonna wanna get your hands on one of these ceramic pads by Osborn. They got a 40 grit, a 60 grit, and an 80 grit. Today we use the 40 grit HD flap disc by Osborn. Great product, check them out, osborn.com.